TIG welding, also known as tungsten inert gas welding, is a highly precise arc welding process that uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode to produce the weld. This method is officially referred to as gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW, and it is known for its ability to create clean, high-quality welds on a variety of metals. Unlike other arc welding processes that consume the electrode as part of the welding process, TIG welding maintains the integrity of the tungsten electrode while a separate filler metal can be manually fed into the weld pool. This separation of heat source and filler metal provides the welder with exceptional control, allowing for highly detailed and refined welds. The entire process takes place under a protective shield of inert gas, typically argon, although helium or mixtures can be used depending on the specific application, which prevents atmospheric contamination of the weld zone. The versatility and control offered by TIG welding make it particularly valuable in industries where the quality and appearance of welds are critical. This includes aerospace, automotive, medical equipment, and food processing, where clean and corrosion-resistant joints are essential. TIG welding is especially effective for welding thin sections of stainless steel, aluminum, magnesium, and copper alloys. These materials require a high degree of precision and cleanliness, which TIG welding is uniquely suited to deliver. The welder uses one hand to hold the torch and the other to feed filler material as needed, while a foot pedal or fingertip control is often used to regulate amperage during the welding process. This tri-coordinated technique requires significant skill and practice but allows for incredibly precise control over the weld characteristics, including penetration, bead size, and heat input. Unlike MIG or stick welding, TIG welding does not generate much spatter or slag, which significantly reduces the need for post-weld cleaning. The process is quiet and clean, with little smoke or fumes, making it a more pleasant and environmentally friendly method when compared to other arc welding techniques. However, its slower welding speed and the higher level of operator skill required can make TIG welding less economical for some high-volume production environments. Still, in situations where weld integrity, appearance, and metallurgical properties are of paramount importance, TIG welding remains the process of choice. A crucial component of TIG welding is the choice of shielding gas. Argon is the most widely used gas because it provides a stable arc and excellent weld pool protection, but helium may be used alone or mixed with argon to increase heat input, which is useful for thicker materials.